Hello everybody, Giselle here. We're going to practice the TH sound. Of course, just one of the sounds, the soft one. For example, some students are having problems with this sound, so I'm going to practice with you. For example, thousand. Okay, this is a word. I'm going to put it this way. Repeat, please. Thousand. Some students say thousand with the t sound. The t sound. It's incorrect. It's thousand. Very nice. Repeat, please. Thousand. I have $1,000. Okay, I have $1,000. I have $1,000. Okay, you know, it's kind of Peruvian accent, but you know, Latin American people, our students are so nice and amazing pronunciation. Okay, one more time. Thousand. Okay, another one is, for example, when you give your opinion. You say sometimes, I think. It's not I think. It's I think. I think that Peruvian accent is amazing. For example, I think that Peruvian accent is amazing. Okay, repeat, please. I think that Peruvian accent is amazing. Okay, one more time. I think that Peruvian accent is amazing. Okay, very nice. Another one, for example, the number 3. Okay, it's not 3. It's not 3. Sorry. It's not 3. It's number 3. Number 3. I'm going to put it slower for you. Here. Okay. 3. Okay. So, for example, I have 3 kids. I have 3 balls, for example. Okay, nice.